Hello, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. I want to welcome everybody to the Daily FX walkthrough. Going to get started in just a moment. What I'm going to do tonight is walk through the latest technical report by Jamie Setley at DailyFX.com. So let's go ahead and pull up DailyFX, and usually the first thing I do when I get there is scroll down to click on Jamie's technical report. So let's see what he has to say. Reading the synopsis on top, patterns across the major currency pairs suggest that the U.S. dollar will decline to finish the week. So let's see what he has to say about the euro. If you recall, in yesterday's report, we had the potential for that inverse head and shoulder pattern playing out. It didn't play out. I'll get to that once we get to the charts. Let's go ahead and read the synopsis. This is the best count at the current juncture. The up-down sequence from 132.58 consists of two three-wave movements, which are probably waves A and B of a flat. Wave C is underway now and likely ends near 140. And once we get to the charts, I'll explain exactly what Jamie means by the ABC corrective movement. Now let's focus on the dollar-yen, as that's what we have been focusing on in my reports. Remaining below 103 keeps the bearish trend intact. The alternate count gives scope to a push above 103.05 and a test of the 61.8 fib at 104.15. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts. And the first chart is the euro dollar, and this was the at last night prices were right here. And if you recall, I was speaking about, as Jamie had mentioned in his report, a low probability trade setup in terms of that inverse head and shoulder pattern. I actually did enter the trade just above the 134.60 area, but then was stopped out as prices did break below that right shoulder. Now, to give a little further insight into Jamie's view on the euro dollar right now, he was remaining he had a very bullish bias as long as the pair remained above 34.85. Now that prices have broken beneath 134.85, he still has that bullish bias, but it eliminates the most bullish count. So the alternate count is that this is an A wave top. This could be a B wave bottom right here, and now we're in a C wave where, again, Jamie was calling for prices to end near 140. So what that means essentially is that, again, the most bullish count has been eliminated, and right now he's focusing on what could be just a correction. So what do we do with that information? What I would suggest right now, the possibility that the corrective rally is underway right now. What I would do personally is just connect a simple trend line such as this, and now wait for entries down near that support line moving forward over the next 6 or 7 hours, or even into tomorrow's trading action. So that's something that we can do to participate in what could be this C wave rally. But again, to reiterate, the most important factor is that the most bullish count has been eliminated with prices moving below 134.85. So let's go ahead and pull up the dollar-yen again, as this is what we have been focusing on lately. We could see a nice rally on yesterday's candle, and now prices are hitting prices right now 101.64, getting a little closer to that clear resistance near 103 with the 103.10 area. And that's, as Jamie mentioned, that alternate count, and that's what, if prices do get up near that 103 area again, that's what I personally would look for. I look for a move actually above that 103.10 area where short trade might set up, and then we can place our stops above that fib level at 104.10. But that's something, these are daily charts, these are longer term trades, so we would wait for that 5 p.m. candle to close. So as of right now, there's really nothing to do as prices are a little bit too far away from those clear resistance levels, but that's something I would look for moving forward. And Jamie, again, has been spot on in his analysis in terms of this overall decline, in terms of this first correction, in terms of calling the pair, the price movement in the pair. So certainly, each and every day, keep an eye on Jamie's reports to see if any new developments come up. Again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. Thanks for listening.